Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswar, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Accenture has finally started sending mock assessment, mock test email, assessment readiness, and system enablement mock test. And it is very, very important for you to write the mock test. I will tell you the reason, because if you don't write the mock test and if the exams is happening virtually online, then you will not be able to write the exam also if your system does not support this SEB safe exam browser in your laptop. Okay, so we'll discuss in detail. Friends, before that, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon, because we are going to upload. See, already we have uploaded, you know, how to clear Accenture exams. Okay, Accenture topic wise weightage, lot of activities already we have done on our channel, so please don't miss it. Okay, even Cognizant latest interview experiences, so all those things we are doing it, and even the preparation videos we are going to put. And if you have not yet got Accenture crash course, get it right now. This is very, very important. Please do not regret later. This 700 rupees course will definitely help you. See, if verbal ability in communication round, cloud, coding, pseudocode, technical MCQs, programming, Java, Python, and C++, game-based aptitude, MS application, each and everything is there inside the course. So get it right now. And Accenture Associate Software Engineer, the last day to apply has been extended till 19th of December 2025. Those who are eligible, please go ahead and apply. Okay. So friends, also, uh, you know, you ask, in chat or in whatever way, okay, you call them and tell if you have any issues with respect to registration. All the process has been given here. Okay, anyway, so you will get a 20 minutes mock test practice assessment. Mock assessment is mandatory, and it will ensure that you have the right hardware, software, and the internet. This assessment will help you to get experience of the assessment, right? So hi, it's time to gear up for your assessment rounds. You will soon be receiving details of your assessment along with the time slot and the guidelines. Install Safe Exam browser to participate in our process. Download SCB, friend. Don't do this mistake. Okay, you download and keep it ready. Okay, see, at any cost your communication round will be virtually. Okay, and the remaining rounds also might happen online. Okay, so there is a good chance. So anyway, you will get all the details, so don't worry about it. Okay, so be updated with our channel. We will tell you if there is any changes or if there is any update. Mandatorily participate in our mock assessment to check your system readiness and enabling ease while taking our assessment. Mock test assessment link is given. And mandatory participate in our mock assessment to check your system readiness and enabling. Okay, that same thing. Mock test will be active till Friday, 19th of December. Please finish your mock test before a specified time. Now, if somebody is registering on 19th of December, I don't know if they will get the mock assessment link or not, because the last date is December 19th. Okay, laptop, desktop must be. So your exam, see friends, there is a very good chance that your exam will be happening before 25th, I'm assuming, or at the end of this month. There is a very, very good chance that end of this month your exam will happen. So don't take lightly. Accenture has a lot of things into it, so please start your preparation. Okay, so laptop, desktop must be enabled with webcam and microphone. Webcam should capture images clearly. Both webcam and microphone must be switched on across the assessment. VPN proxy should be disabled. RAM and processor, so Windows 4 GB RAM. Okay, and then i3 8th generation 2.2 gigahertz or equivalent, higher Mac 8 GB RAM, i5 8th generation or equivalent, operating system, browser, and internet, right? So these are the things minimum, is required. So please check this out. And also we have started with the live classes, like today, Isa ma'am classes were there at 5:30 p.m. Monday, coding classes with Monish sir. Okay, so this is very much specific to Accenture. Wednesday, game based. So tomorrow I have a class at 7 p.m. for game-based. Java classes with others at 8 p.m. Thursday, technical MCQ class with Monish sir. Friday, C++ with Ankan sir. Saturday, Python classes with Priyansi ma'am. And Sunday, there is, we are giving rest. Okay. So please go ahead and, enroll into this course as soon as possible. Don't delay. This Accenture crash course is definitely waiting for you, so that, because for 2025 batch, right, 2024 batch, whoever is eligible, So you will not get this kind of opportunity again. That you have to keep in mind. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care.